Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the details of two popular compact washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer and the Elevon Portable Mini Washing Machine. We'll examine their features, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer operates fully automatically, handling everything from water filling to draining, making it incredibly user-friendly. In contrast, the Elevon Portable Mini Washing Machine requires manual water filling and monitoring, which may be less convenient for some users. This difference in operation mode is crucial for those who prioritize ease of use. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model can handle up to 11 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the Elevon model is limited to 5.5 pounds, which is ideal for smaller, lighter items. This significant difference in capacity can influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. Price is another critical factor. The BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is priced at $348, reflecting its advanced features and higher capacity. In contrast, the Elevon Portable Mini Washing Machine is very budget-friendly at just $77, making it an attractive option for those looking for a more economical solution. Understanding your budget will help you make the right choice. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Small Portable Washer is perfect for those who need a robust, fully automatic washing solution, while the Elevon Portable Mini Washing Machine is ideal for users seeking a compact, budget-friendly option. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.